Well, there is no fountain of youth just yet, but there are ways to keep your skin looking youthful. And no matter what age you are, you can start now. Dr. Michael Shapiro has ways for better skin at any age. So hello, Dr. Shapiro. How are you? All right, so now can you clear up a myth for me? I've heard that you can't use anti-aging products when you're young. True or not?
There's less of a need for it because when you're young, your skin is more vibrant, has more collagen, has less freckles, so you don't really need it at that point, but it's not going to do anything harmful to you if you start at that age.
Okay, so when is the appropriate age to start using anti-aging products? If we could just throw it out there, like just a ballpark figure.
So mid to late 20s is probably when any issues with acne or any sort of youthful skin problems pass, and then at that point you can start thinking about how to maintain your skin for the next 20, 30, 40 years.
Yeah, it's very true. I think when I turned 26, it all started going downhill. Maybe it was because of lifestyle, but does that have something to do with it?
Smoking, lack of sleep, how much water you drink. There's sort of, to varying degrees, methodologies, but it's true that if you take care of your skin on a consistent basis, you're going to probably age more gracefully.
Okay, so let's talk about somebody's skin in their 30s. That's where I'm at right now. What should we be doing to take care of it?
So in your 30s, you still don't have much of the effects of long-term sun damage. So you want to make sure that you're wearing sunscreen on a daily basis. You should be wearing like a 15 or a 30 almost every day, whether it's sunny or whether it's cloudy. In the summer months, it's an obvious thing, but in the winter months, people tend to forget. Clouds block everything, but they block ultraviolet light. They don't block visible light. And so if you're going to be out, even walking to the car or shopping or something, you're going to get a ton of sun exposure that way on a daily basis, and it adds up.
Okay. So, now, here's a question for you that my girlfriends and I always ask. I use a tinted moisturizer, and it has SPF 20 in it. Is that just as effective as using just a standalone SPF, or is that okay? No, it's great, and it also will make it easier for you to remember, because if you remember, people will tend to remember to use a moisturizer more than they remember to use a sunscreen more in the morning. So if it's an aid, if it's something that's part of your routine, it'll help you use it more. So it's better to use a combination product. Perfect. Now, if you're in your 40s, what's the one thing that you need to add to your skincare regimen that's going to help you maintain that youthful appearance?
So a lot of women, men too, start using exfoliators, gentle exfoliators such as alpha hydroxy acids, glycolic acids, and retinol products. So Renova, Triluma, and other products that what they do is that they increase the collagen production in your skin. They help with fine lines, fine wrinkles, and pigment changes. And those are things that start to creep up on you when you're in your 40s.
Okay, and now in your 50s, what's like the one quick thing that we should be adding as well?
So in your 50s, anti-aging products, so green tea, vitamin C, other anti-aging products that, caffeine actually on the skin. There are a lot of anti-aging products that are now being recommended in addition to using sunscreen and exfoliators such as retinols.
All right, I know what I'm getting my mom. Thank you so much, Dr. Shapiro, and we will be right back.